Have you met Terry? Terry has a dream to manage a business someday. But Terry doesn't want to settle for a normal management position. Terry wants to make a social and environmental impact in the business world, and she's not afraid to get her hands dirty. That's why Terry chose to study Sustainable Business Enterprise at Unity College. The Sustainable Business Enterprise program gives Terry the opportunity to learn all the basics of business within a socially and environmentally responsible context. Terry can choose from 4 program tracks so she can focus on where she wants to make the most impact. Each track provides students like Terry with a unique curriculum. The International Sustainable Development track teaches students to build sustainable connections between organizations, governments, and society, while the Sustainable Tourism track helps translate local culture, nature, and history into learning and living experiences. Sustainable Energy Management leverages design, technology, and personal choice for sustainability, and Sustainable Agriculture teaches students how to grow small-scale, local, sustainable agriculture for healthy communities. Unity College's experiential learning takes education outside of the classroom and prepares Terry to be resourceful in finding practical, innovative solutions to global environmental issues. Terry knows that sustainability and business don't have to be at odds with each other. With a degree in Sustainable Business Enterprise from Unity College, she's ready to become tomorrow's problem solver. Visit unity.edu/SBE today. This is Terry's business suit. What will yours be?